We all know Vapi Ai is amazing, but imagine automatically kicking off AI-powered actions based on specific events. That's the power of automation. We're going to connect the two using Make'em in just a few steps. First, ensure you have active Vapi Ai and Make'em accounts for this to work. Let's start. Head over to Make'em and start a new scenario. Think of this as your automation roadmap. First, we need a trigger. What will start the action? Let's add a module by clicking that handy plus button. For example, when a new email lands in your inbox, then search for your trigger app. Let's say Gmail and select it. Choose the event that will start your workflow. For example, watch emails next. You'll authenticate your Gmail account by connecting it to Make. Follow the on-screen prompts and then configure the trigger. Specify which inbox to monitor and any relevant filters like based on the sender or subject. Once finished, hit the OK button. Time to connect Vapi Ai. Click the plus button next to the trigger module, then search for Vapi Ai in the search bar and select its module. Now, choose an action to take, such as run some automation. With the use of your existing prompts, you will be prompted to connect an account. To connect Vapi Ai, you will need your Vapi Ai API key. Find this key in your Vapi Ai settings on their platform. Paste your API key into the Make'em connection setup and verify the connection. Now configure the Vapi Ai action. Choose what data from your trigger you want to feed into Vapi Ai. Map the data fields to the desired input for better output results. Test your workflow by running the scenario. Anytime those trigger conditions are met, Make'em will automatically pass the data to Vapi Ai to begin your process. Watch for the green validation lights. This automation will save you hours a week by streamlining processes. This is just one example, but the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to customize your workflows.